बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा वसलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अफ़ला यतदब्बरूनल क़ुरआन फ़ी मुक़ाम आख़िर क़ाल अल्लाह सुब्हानहु व तआला वलक़द यस्सरनल क़ुरआन लिज़्ज़िक्र फ़हल मिन मुद्दकिर फ़ी मुक़ाम आख़िर क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला व क़ाल अर्रसूलु या रब्बी इन्न क़ौमी इत्तख़ज़ू हाज़ल क़ुरआन महजूरा क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम खैरुकुम मन तअल्लमल क़ुरआन व अल्लमा सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि रब्बि श्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। My most honored brothers and sisters in Islam, Nazreen, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, let's bring our hearts and our minds in the state of shukr. Ya Allah, we have no word, no counts. How many times we can do shukr of you because you blessed us with Iman as well as Islam without any effort on our part. You gave us blessed birth in the Muslimah mother, we are Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Let's make dua. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with the last breath with Islam, with Iman. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Today, my topic is this. What are the rights of Quran Majid? How we can do justice with Quran Majid? Unfortunately, really, me, especially, you may be not doing justice with the Quran. Quran Majid is a book of guidance for all mankind, not only for the Muslimin. And this book is a source of our solution and shifa of all our problems, political problem, personal problem, physical problem, spiritual problem, even any kind of problem, Quran is there to help us if we follow the guideline of the Quran Majid. Quran Majid guarantee the success of this life as well as Quran guarantee the success of life hereafter. The people who will obey as a Muslim give glad tidings of Jannat Firdaus. Subhanallah. But if Muslim, Mu'min, or anybody don't follow Quran, there's the bad news of Jahannam also. Which is easy to say, but we cannot afford. May Allah SWT save us from Jahannam, and soon we take last breath, take us to Jannatul Firdaus right away. And our cover should become a piece of paradise. Ameen, summa ameen. It's a big warning for the people who don't obey it. The Quran Majid helps us to increase Iman. Quran Majid claims itself, وَإِذَا تُلِيَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُهُ زَادَتْهُمْ إِيمَانًا. When Quran, we read Quran Majid, when we recite Quran Majid, especially with the meaning and the tafsir, our Iman boosts up. There are so many ways to increase Iman. Quran is one of the best way to increase our Iman. The very first haqq, very first right of Quran Majid, that is we should have correct aqidah about Quran Majid. We should have correct Aqidah of Quran Majid. What is correct Aqidah? This is a book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is Kalamullah. These are the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When other books are not Kalamullah, Torah and Injil is not Kalamullah. They are wording of Jesus alayhi salatu wasalam and Musa alayhi salatu wasalam. But mafhum was given to them, then they gave that mafhum in their own wording. But Quran Majid is the book of by Kalamullah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is a book which is read most the word than any other book, period. So first haqq of Quran, we should have correct Aqidah of Quran Majid is a Kalamullah. We know that. How much Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal rahimahullah suffered for this Aqidah. He was lashed so many times by the Khalifa of the time. He wanted to change the ruling of the government. If Imam Sahib accept that this book is not Kalamullah, but he said no. He got beaten up so many times, but he did not change his Aqidah a single inch at all, period. There we have Quran now with this. This is a correct Aqidah, and moreover, Quran says, Inna nahnu nazzalna zikra wa inna lahu lahafizun. No doubt, we have revealed Quran. We are protectors of Quran. Not single word will be changed at the day of Qiyamah. No. To remain intact as it is. Because Allah was himself guarding the Quran Majid. And the best source way, what Allah did. 7-year-old child, 8-year-old child, 9-year-old child, we see half the Quran. Through the hifaz, Allah subhanahu kept his Quran intact. It's a miracle. No other holy book has half the Quran. No other holy book have half the Quran, not at all. Only Quran. This is a miracle of Quran. Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam wished that some part of Quran should be the chest of the moment. At least he said, I love my ummati should have Surah Yasin in the heart. This is a beautiful Surah Yasin. If you read in the morning time, all problems of the days will be solved without any problem. Help in the grave. Surah Yasin is the heart of Quran. Prophet said it. If we read before the night time, Surah Al-Mulk, it will protect us in the grave from any kind of punishment. It's guaranteed. Who gave a guarantee? Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. No doubt at all. Another haqq of Quran is this: we should have respect and honor of Quran in our heart. This is not a common book. We cannot put this book on the ground. Not at all. This is disrespectful. Ba adab, ba nasib, or be adab, be nasib. If we do adab, good etiquette, everything, inshallah, we are lucky person. So we should have respect Quran physically and also from the heart. We should respect Quran. Then, another right of Quran, we should be able to recite Quran with tajweed. Here we are very weak. Because Quranic language is very delicate. Arabic language is very delicate. Not like English other languages. A little, even prolonging the sound, meaning changed. I give one example, a lot of examples. Wala sawfa yu'tika. It means very soon, O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we will bless you. Wala sawfa yu'tika. If I say wala sawfa yu'tika, I just prolong the sound of Allah. La mean very soon. La mean no. You see? Not changing the word even, changing the sound, meanings are changed. We should be very careful. It's our duty to learn the Quran with tajweed by any Qari Sahib. But we think nowadays our children should go to madrasa, learn Quran. What about us? Hadith pass I quoted before you. Khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'an wa 'allama. He is the best among you. Not only child, men, women, young, old, we. Khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'an wa 'allama. Who teaches Quran and learn Quran. Who learn Quran and teaches Quran. Who teaches Quran, learn Quran. Did we check our Quran? I will humbly request you, give you homework. Please read your Quran. You are so fortunate you have Qari Sahib over here. How many masajid have Qari Sahib? I will request you. I will request Qari Sahib also. Sometime any salat, come to him, read your one ruku, two ruku, he will check it. What level you are. A problem? Please take time from him. Correct your Quran. You don't have to correct whole Quran. You only 29th or 30th juz, 2 juz correct, job will be done. Inshallah, brother. And then you teach your wife. If your wife is Qariya, then request her, honey, listen my Quran. This is the haqq of Quran. Otherwise, we are reading Quran, we are changing the meaning. Instead of sawab, we are getting azab. What is that? We should be serious in this matter. So then next haqq of Quran is this, which when you read Quran, we should know the meaning of Quran. Alhamdulillah, I went to Hajj. I finished 3 Quran. MashaAllah, very good news. You get a lot of sawab. Recitation of Quran, lot of sawab. Each herb you get 10 hasana. No doubt at all. But Quran does not came only for sawab. It's a practical book. So you should read the meaning of Quran. If you have 1 juz, you read, have time for 1 juz, read half juz, and half you read the meaning of Quran. Then you know what is Amr bil Maruf, Nahi anil Munkar. What Allah SWT command me to do, and what Allah SWT command me not to do. That's what Quran, the purpose of Quran is. So, we should be serious in that matter. The Quran are available. You can go on internet. We should learn the tafsir of Quran. Why not? Arab brothers, I request them, they go to their own ulama. Find best tafsir, best for them. For our Pakistani, English, or Indian, and Bangladeshi brother. I will recommend Tarjama al-Quran by Hazrat Taqi Usmani Damat Barakatuh. Tafsir, the Mu'arif al-Quran. English version there also, Urdu there also, Bangla there also. Mu'arif al-Quran, beautiful. You don't have to buy it nowadays. So easy to learn Islam and propagate Islam. Go to internet, website, you will get this Quran, Mu'arif al-Quran. You will enjoy it. Read 1 juz, half juz, one ruba, one ruku. Read the tafsir also. And they follow what Quran says. But again, there are certain ayat belonging to Masail. That part you don't become mufti. Don't start driving Masail from the Quran. That part of the mufti sahab. The most of the Quran is don't do this. There are a lot of nice stories, true stories for our advice. Read those stories. I don't know who gave this bad concept to Indian, Pakistani and Bangladeshi people. Don't read meaning. I tell you frankly, don't read meaning. I said, why? You will be confused. What? Is Quran came for confusion? No. Quran came for guidance. And let me tell you now, I give you dalil from Quran, what Quran says. People say, don't read meaning to say you will be confused, but Quran says, Surah Al-Qamar. Surah Al-Qamar, ayat number 17. وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. We have made Quran easy to understand. Is there anybody to get a nasiha from Quran? Ayat number 17, Surah Al-Qamar. Now ayat number 22, Surah Al-Qamar. But that ayat is same. وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. Is there anybody? Quran is very easy to understand. We have made Quran very easy to understand. Surely, we made Quran very easy to understand. Is there anybody? That's Surah Al-Qamar, ayat number 32. Same ayat. وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. We have made Quran very easy to understand. Is there anybody getting the Siyah? Then ayat number 40, Surah Al-Qamar, same ayat. وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. Is there anybody? We have made Quran easy to understand. Is there anybody to get the sefer of Quran? Surah Al-Qamar has four ayat. Ya Allah, one ayat was enough. Yes or no? Ya Allah, your one ayat was enough. Why are you telling us 4 times? Allah knows. Allah knows future, what they will do. Some people will misguide the people, Muslimin, take them away from Quran. So therefore, what happened in the past. The Quran, take out this idea, bad idea, negative idea about Quran. It is hard to understand. Quran claim itself easy to understand. How we dare? So therefore, I will advise you. That English version also I gave you, or other, ask your own alim, what is the best translation? With English for American people, non-Urdu people, all Bangla people, there's a Pikhtal, Yusuf Ali Quran, translations there. So read translation as well as little tafsir. What happened past, may Allah forgive us. From onward, I request you. Then you will enjoy Quran. Let me tell you one thing, very strange thing. You know why are so many groups in Muslim? Because every group pick up one ayat. They left other part of Quran. And they only concentrating one ayat. Some say, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat lin-nas, ta'muruna bil ma'ruf wa tanhauna 'anil munkar wa tu'minuna billah. Some say. Some say other kind of ayat. So one ayat people pick it up. Please, that's why group came into being. If you read whole Quran, inshallah, you will be out of these groups. Then we will become real Muslim. Who ana basharum mislukum? Some people pick up only this ayat. Like this. So please, if you read whole Quran, you will enjoy Quran with the meaning, and we will become real, clear Muslim. But everybody say, I am so, I am so, I am so, I am so. We are not so. Quran says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu taqullah haqqa tuqatihi wa la tamutunna illa wa antum muslimun. Die as a Muslim. Not as this groupism. No. So this group happened only because we are away from the meaning and tafsir of Quran. So inshallah, we will follow the... Then, we should, under the haqq of Quran, after reading, reciting Quran, what command come? Amar, what nawahi come? Don't do it, we should put into practice. Another haqq of Quran, to put the Quran into practice. छोड़कर कुरान को मुस्लिम हक से बेगाना हुआ, दीन को रुसवा किया और आप भी रुसवा हुआ. We have left Quran. That is why Muslim Ummah is a downfall. We disgrace our deen, we disgrace ourselves. छोड़कर कुरान को मुस्लिम हक से बेगाना हुआ, दीन को रुसवा किया और आप भी रुसवा हुआ. गर तू खाही मुसलमा जिस्तन नए मुमकिन जुज कुरान जिस्तन. Persian translation. Oh, Muslim, you want to live honorable life. Muslim, if you want to live honorable, Iqbal Rahmatullah says this. Oh Muslim, if you want to live honorable life without Quran understanding, you cannot lead honorable life. This is the story. This is the haqq of Quran to put into practice. And then another haqq of Quran is this, to propagate ashate Quran, propagate Quran. Even you distribute translated Quran, it will help non-believer. Let me tell you, a lot of non-believer, they becoming Muslim. I have some students. I have one student, he's PhD in biology. He became Muslim. I said, how come? He said, Quran changed me. I read again and again. PhD, now he became doctor in Seattle. Chinese guy. He said, I read again and again. Shaitan took me away sometime, again and again. I read Quran. And plus he told me the good ikhlaq of Muslim. He mentioned Arab brothers and some Turkish brothers. They had very good ikhlaq. By chance, he was living in the Arab and Turkish people. And he said that because of their ikhlaq, I was impressed by Islam. And Quran changed me. So many people became Muslim by reciting just Quran English version. You understand? So what about us? If we read Arabic and meaning and translation and tafsir, we will totally change. Then we know what Islam is. what Quran and Hadith Pak, mashallah, these are two guidelines for us. And the Mashayikh and Ulama Haq. So, we should be very serious what message I am giving today. Let me tell you. In the day of Qiyamah, Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam will complain about us to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Which Muslim? Who are not paying the haqq of Quran. Who are not doing justice with the Quran. Some don't read Quran at all. They just kiss it. They just use Quran for ta'weez. They use Quran only time of the marriage. They keep Quran up on the head of the bride and walk. And the bride or bridegroom never read Quran. Quran is not for that purpose. Of course, it's a matter of blessing. But it not came for that purpose. Of course, Quran is shifa. Who say no? Quran is a shifa for spiritual diseases, physical diseases. If you read Ayat Mubarakah, Surah An-Najm, Ayat number 58. Ayat number 58, Surah An-Najm. This is the best medicine for the cancer. The ayat of Surah An-Nas and Falq will keep us away from the jinnat. Ayat al-Kursi, best protection. So therefore, Quran is not only for this purpose. We should get shifa from Quran. Surah Fatiha is the best. The person is sick, read maximum Surah Fatiha, you will be okay. Because Surah Fatiha has the quality, ability to take care of our diseases. Sahaba did it. So I was talking that Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam will complain about us who don't pay attention to Quran. Ayat Quran which says, وَقَالَ الرَّسُولُ يَا رَبِّي إِنَّ قَوْمِ اتَّخَذُوا هَذَا الْقُرْآنَ مَهْجُورًا. Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam will complain, Ya Allah, my nation, my ummah had left Quran. In the same manner, Quran itself will complain against us. Ya Allah, do justice with me and this person. He did not read it. He didn't understand it. But Quran says, أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ. Why don't you ponder over Quran? Only we can ponder over Quran if we read the meaning and the tafsir. But I will recommend under the supervision of a alim haqqani haqq. If you have been reading meaning, translation, if you feel something not clear to you, don't make your own meaning, understanding, but ask the alim haqqani. Now, what should we do now? We did not pay the haqq of Quran. We should do tawbah today. And give me homework now. We should do tawbah. The haqq of Quran, number one, we should have correct aqidah about Quran. Number two, we should have respect and honor of Quran in our heart. Number 3, we should memorize some part of Quran. At least Surah Fatiha is a wajibul ain to memorize. Otherwise you cannot make salat. Surah Fatiha, without Surah Fatiha, we cannot make salat, which is farz. At least the chest has more Quran. Fire of hell cannot burn that chest. In the cover, Quran will protect us. Next half of Quran, we should read the meaning of Quran. We shall learn Quran with tajweed. Go to any Qari Sahib, correct your Quran. Please, as soon as possible. It's not correction of Quran, tajweed is not only for the children. We should read the meaning and tafsir of Quran. What command comes to, we should practice Quran. Put it to practice Quran. And then we should propagate Quran. The best dawah, best tabligh is bil Quran and bil hadith. Subhanallah. So let's make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Allah, help us to do the justice with the Quran. And let's do tawbah. Do tawbah with us. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa atubu alayh. Ya Allah, forgive us. Forgive me. Until today, I will not pay attention to Quran. From today, with your help, I promise the masjid, inshallah, I will start paying the haqq of Quran, haqooq of Quran, and do justice with the Quran. Wa akhiru dawana an alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Jazakallah khair. Shukr kasira.